For mechanically attaching specialized connectors to multi-strand wiring. There are literally thousands of different types of crimp for different applications. Each type of crimp has a dedicated crimping tool to apply it. In this video, we'll look at the Molex connector. A Molex push connects several multi-stranded wires at the same time. The Molex crimps have two sets of wings, inner and outer. The wings clamp onto the core of the wire and onto the plastic insulation to provide mechanical strength. To begin with, remove about 3 mm of the casing from the end of the wire with a pair of wire strippers. Open the tool and slot the crimp into the correct size jaw. Keep the end of the crimp level with the surface of the tool. Ratchet the handle of the crimping tool to close the jaws around the crimp, holding it in place. Insert the stripped wire end until the plastic insulation is inside the outer wings of the crimp. Apply pressure to the crimping tool to crush the wings onto the wire. Release the crimp and inspect it carefully to make sure that the plastic insulation is not inside the inner set of wings. If the plastic insulation is inside the inner wings, this is a bad connection and it must be redone. If you examine the crimp carefully, you'll notice that at the top of the crimp there is a tiny spring. When you push the connector into the connector housing, the spring is compressed and then with a click engages with the hole at the end of the housing, preventing the crimp from coming loose.